There may be times when you are asked to draw a dot diagram for something that is not an atom, but is instead an ion. So we're going to start with a positive ion. So let's say you were asked to draw the dot diagram for magnesium plus 2. You need to keep in mind that when something becomes an ion, it's because it's either gained or lost electrons. The hard part about it is that electrons are negative. So ask yourself, did magnesium gain or lose electrons in order to become positive? Since it became more positive, it must have lost those negative electrons. So let's look at what magnesium's normal valence number would be. Here's magnesium here. It would normally have 2 valence electrons. Since it's lost 2, we aren't going to draw any dots at all on magnesium. It no longer has any valence electrons. But to make sure that no one's confused that you really did mean to not draw any dots at all, we put a bracket around it. And then, of course, you want to put the charge on the outside. Let's try a negative one now. We'll do nitrogen minus 3. Since it's negative, it must have gained 3 electrons. So looking at nitrogen's normal valence number, which would be 5, that means it now has 8 valence electrons. So nitrogen is going to go from having its normal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to having 1, 2, 3 more for a total of 8. Again, you're going to put brackets around it so no one thinks any of those dots are a stray mark or something like that. And you have to also put the charge. And that's how you handle dealing with negative or positive ions and drawing dot diagrams.